Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Want to Stay. If you're having problem on WhatsApp saying it is out of date, then the only solution is that your WhatsApp is not updated. Now to check WhatsApp if it is updated or not, go to Play Store or go to App Store and search in WhatsApp. And after you have searched in WhatsApp, this WhatsApp messenger will come, and if it is not updated, then instead of open it will say update, but mine is in latest update, so it is saying open. Now even after that your WhatsApp is saying out of date, then check your internet connection if it is stable or not, or you can restart your mobile phone. And after that you have solved your WhatsApp out of date problem. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.